welcome back, and let's hop right into it. So, today we're going to do a fill in the blank with greater than, less than, or equal to. So that's equal. This is greater. I can't. Greater. And this is less than. Okay, so basically, the sign is always going to go to the bigger number because it's like Pac-Man. It always wants the bigger amount. He's hungry, so you want the bigger amount of food to make it full. Okay, so we're gonna look at number 6 as an example. So what you do is that you look on the first term on the left first. Since these are equal, since they're both 5s, you go look on the right, which is 4 and 6. And since 6 is greater than 4, because it's a bigger number, this gets eaten. So 54 is less than 56, which is true. So, yay. That's a thumb, guys. I'm bad at drawing. Okay, we're gonna go through this pretty quickly. So, here's another example of division. So what you do is that you get the first number and you put it inside the division symbol. I believe it's called divisor. And on the outside, you put the second number. And since this has 2 digits, you look at the first 2 digits. So this is 10 and 10. And 10 fits into 10 only once because 10 times 1 is 10. So you subtract that, and that's going to be 0, and the 0 drops down. But then there's a question. Do we have to stop? There's already a 0 now, so that means we're done, right? Well, if there's 2 zeros like this, you have to keep going. So since we know the answer is already 0, 10 could go into 0 0 times. So the answer is 10. That's it. Okay, let's look at multiplication. So we're saying how many times is 3 added 5 times. So what we can do is we could draw a group. What is like 5 groups? Let me make them big groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's put 3 dots in each group. They look like coconuts or like bowling balls. Okay, and then we could count in if we could count all the dots now. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is a very elementary style. You could use your multiplication tables, which is, it kind of looks like this. So it goes from 1 to like 10, and this goes down 1 through 10. I think you guys already know what it looks like. So what you do is that you get 3 on the top, or you could get 3 on the bottom, and a 5 on the top or the bottom. But they both have to intersect, and that intersection is the answer. And that's how you use a multiplication table. This is just another way by just using grouping. Okay, we're going to go through one more problem. So, Jessie has 30 mochi bites and shares it evenly among 5 friends. How many mochi bites does each friend get? So, when they mean share, this is going to equal to divide because you're splitting it. And evenly is going to mean no remainder. So that's going to help us because if you know the context that even numbers even numbers don't have remainders and odd numbers do. So there's 30 mochi bites. So let's put 30. And she evenly splits it among 5 friends. So there's 5. This represents the friends, and these represents the Mochi Bites. What this is like, imagine these are dots, and these are like the groups. We're putting all these dots into their own group. So we're putting all 30 dots in an amount of 5 groups. So you can hear my keys. So let's try this. So first, since this only has 1 digit, that means we're going to only look at the first digit right here. So we're trying to find out how many times can 5 go into 3. And the answer should be 0 because 5 is greater than 3, and 3 minus 5 will not work. So let me just rewrite it here because more space. So it's going to be 0. Whoa, I'm so sorry, guys. Anyways, and that's going to be 0 because 5 times 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. And it drops the sound. So we're basically back to the same answer. Therefore, but now we know that the answer is going to be 1 digit. So how many times can 5 go into 30? So if you count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And therefore, you could have gotten 6. Or if you know your multiplication tables, that would be a lot faster. So therefore, the answer is 6 Mochi Bites. And remember to write down the units. And that's it. I hope it's simple. I hope this is easy. And have fun, guys. Good luck. I'll draw a little over here for you. Okay. Bye, guys. Have fun.